If you're looking for someone who is reliable, dedicated, and trustworthy to help you buy or sell homes in the Las Vegas area, then look no further. I know that buying or selling your home is one of the biggest decisions of your life. That's why it's important to work with someone who understands what makes this such an emotional experience and will guide you through every step of the way so that we can find exactly what you want or what you need based on the price that you kind of expect on your home. My goal is to provide my clients with outstanding service by helping them find their dream home within their price point while making sure that you also feel comfortable throughout the entire process from start to finish. I'm here because when people choose me, they see my dedication and my commitment that I put into each transaction, whether it will be finding a new listing in Las Vegas or building a brand new house in Henderson. When working together, I'm here to provide that 5-star service. I'm here to make sure I deserve that 5-star review and nothing less. If this sounds like what you're looking for, then let's get started, or just reach out to me whenever you're ready to make a move in the future. Don't forget to follow me on my house tours, real estate tips, and what's going on with the market today. So text me or call me 702-686-1668. Thank you.